On a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two cars B and C approaches car A in opposite directions with a speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain instant when the distance AB is equal to AC, both being 1 km, B decides to overtake A before C does. What minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? So here, in the solution of this problem, here I am drawing the two-lane road first. Okay, so you can understand the situation which is given over here clearly. So here on a two-lane road, one car A is moving in this direction and velocity of car A, let it be, which is given 36 km per hour. So 36 into 5 by 18. So we can say 10 meter per second. Okay, here two cars B and C approaches this car A in opposite direction. Means B and C, not both this B and C are coming in this direction and approaches car A. It means car B is approaches the car A in this direction, and car C is approaches the A in this direction. You can say, so direction of approaches of B and C to A is opposite. आप देख सकते हो कि B और C अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है और वो कार A को क्या कर रही है, अप्रोच कर रही है. ठीक है. At one instant here which is given, the distance AB is equal to what, AC, and both being 1 kilometer, both being 1 kilometer. So when over here AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to what, AC, what happens over here, B decides to overtake A before C does. You can see that B and C also are moving in opposite direction with the same speed. BB is equal to VC equal to over here 54 km per hour. So 1 km per hour, we know that 5 by 18 meter per second. So 54 into 5 by 18, you will get a 15 meter per second. Okay, so अगर यहाँ पे आप देखो अच्छे से, तो दो B और C जो दोनों को A को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं उसकी स्पीड सेम है. तो अगर B को ओवरटेक करना है, ठीक है, तो जैसे ही C यहाँ पे पहुँचे उससे पहले यहाँ से ऐसे निकल जाना पड़ेगा. C यहाँ से पहले यहाँ पे पहुँचे उससे पहले, अदरवाइज क्या हो जाएगा, एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा. स्पीड दोनों की सेम है तो हमें उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे उसको अपने आप को क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक्सेलरेट करना पड़ेगा और एक्सेलरेट करके ऐसे निकल जाना है. ठीक है, तभी एक्सीडेंट नहीं होगा. तो उसके लिए B को कब यहाँ से निकल जाना पड़ेगा, C यहाँ पे पहले पहुँचे उससे पहले. तो हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि C यहाँ पे कब पहुँचेगा. उस टाइम से पहले B को यहाँ से निकल जाने के लिए कितना एक्सेलरेट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, आई होप अब ये सिचुएशन क्लियर है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. हियर वी कैन से relative velocity of C with respect to A is what, relative velocity of C with respect to A, let it be VCA. So VCA is equal to what, you can see that C and A both are in opposite directions, so it is VC plus VA. VC is what over here 15 and VA is 10 meter per second, sir. So 10 plus 15, 25 meter per second. Okay, so time that required by C to just cross A is, we can say T is equal to, time is equal to what, distance upon speed. So distance between C and A is given, which is 1 km per hour. Distance between C and A, let it be XCA upon speed. we see A. Distance is what? 1 kilometer means you can say 1000 meter divided by speed 25 meter per second. So after simplifying you will get 40 seconds. So here overall you can see that C reaches to A within 40 seconds. So B accelerates itself such that it will cross the A before this 40 seconds. So here we have to find the minimum acceleration. अगर ज़्यादा acceleration से ज़्यादा जाएगा तो आराम से C से पहले निकल जाएगा. मिनिमम acceleration से फाइंड आउट करना है, ठीक है, मिनिमम acceleration, ठीक है. So over here we can say in order to avoid an accident, in order to avoid an accident, एक्सीडेंट अवॉइड करने के लिए बी को क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक्सेलरेट होना पड़ेगा. इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड एन accident, B must overtakes A. B must overtake A, okay, in a time less than or equal to 40 seconds. Because why less than or equal to? Because over here we have to find that minimum acceleration, so we are using over a time less than or equal to 40 seconds. So here relative velocity of car B with respect to A is what? Relative velocity of B with respect to A is, you can see that B and A are moving in same direction, so VBA is equal to what? VB minus VA. VB is a 15 meter per second minus VA, that is 10. So VBA is, we can say, 5 meter per second. Okay. So here distance between B and A is 1 kilometer. Relative speed we have. Okay. Time भी है अपने पास, तो हमें क्या find out करना है? Acceleration. So here now we are finding acceleration. Okay, in this problem. So here we can say distance xba is equal to what? Speed which is vba into t plus half a, which we have to find t square. Okay, so over vba is a 5, t is a 40, half acceleration find out करना है. xba is what? 1000 मीटर, t स्क्वायर 40 स्क्वायर, ठीक है. so let's simplify it. We can say 1000 minus 200 is 800, and that is equal to half a square of 40, means can say 1600 divided by 2. If we are divide the 1600 divided by 2, then it becomes 800a. So here I can say 800 is equal to 800a. So a is equal to 1 meter per second square. So here we can say to avoid an accident, driver of B has to overtake, or you can say has to overtake before 40 seconds, and then for it we can say it has to accelerate at 1 meter per second.